Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials: tracker housing, the small PCB module, and at least one power cell. Once done, head straight to the nearest workbench in the maintenance corridor and open your inventory to inspect the PCB for visible burns or broken traces. Make sure to keep the housing and screws together so you won't lose parts. You're not repairing yet, you're preparing the workspace, laying out tools, and ensuring power is available before you begin the delicate reconnection steps. Now you methodically repair the PCB. Clean the contact pads so the new connections hold. You'll align the PCB into the housing grooves. A misaligned board is the most common failure, so take your time. Once aligned, reflow or apply a tiny bead of conductive paste to any broken traces, then press contacts firmly together. During this phase, work in short bursts so components cool and settle. If you overheat, you can warp the plastic housing and cause another failure. Reassemble the tracker by inserting the power cell and securing the housing screws snugly, but not over-tightened. Once assembled, connect to the terminal and run the built-in diagnostics. Observe status LEDs for boot sequence and successful uplink. If the tracker still fails, stop and swap the power cell first, then reseat the PCB, and finally check trace continuity with a simple probe. That single troubleshooting tip, swap power then reseat, usually isolates whether the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.